I want to talk about this vacuum sealer machine that Sanbora sent me to do a video on. First of all, what do you get right out of the box? You get some instructions that's going to break it right down for you. This is very easy to use. Get a couple of replacement seals, get a vacuum hose, and a couple different varieties of vacuum bags. You can see right there, and there's the main unit. And this thing, like I said, it's a piece of cake to use. I have a chuck eye steak that I'm going to be freezing. Put it in the bag. You close it, you put the settings to exactly how you want them, and you put a little bit down pressure on the machine. You can see right here, starts to suck the air right out. Now this is going to be really valuable for me because I do like to buy in bulk and then freeze. You can save a lot of money that way. Who else is going to be good for? Anyone who does canning, there's a vacuum hose option that's going to make a lot of sense for you. Anyone who does their own game processing, I'm thinking for hunters, this is going to be extremely valuable. If you process your own animal and you want to make sure you have good protection in the freezer, this is going to be invaluable. And after it's done taking all the oxygen out, it seals and you open it up and you can take a look at the final result right here. No oxygen, the seal is tight. This is going to go in the freezer and it's going to last for a long time. If you'd like a vacuum sealer for your kitchen, click on the link in the description below.